Hello, here on day 10, we're going to be talking about cleaning up your Google Chrome browser. So when you click a new tab, it should go to something that looks like this, where it says Google, where you can search here. And actually, if you click up at the top in the address bar, you can start searching directly from there. You don't even have to type down here. Might look a little bit different if they have the Google Doodle there, but in any case, it should come up with this Google search bar like this. If by chance you go to a new tab and it comes up with something like this where it says enhanced by Google and it has some kind of like green button, little square, this stuff down here, likely what that means is that there is an extension that has been installed that is taking over, not taking over in a bad way, but that is controlling that Google search page. So the way we fix that, or the way we just check on our extensions to see what we get, is we're going to go into the extensions. Now, extensions are these little things up here, and these are little programs that help you do things. That's what extensions are. They're little programs that help you do things. So if you click on these three dots, and you come down here to more tools, mine's over on the side where you can't see it, but when you hover here, it'll say extensions. So you're going to go ahead and click on extensions. And it's going to bring up something like this. Now, anyone that has this little building by it means that it was installed by the district. That means it's automatically pushed out if you are on a Chromebook or you are signed into Chrome. These other ones are ones that I have installed. So I'm just going to go through and just double check that I have all of the extensions that I want. So these are all ones that I want. I want to have these on here, but let's say I want to go ahead and remove, for example, read and write for Chrome. I've decided I don't need that anymore. Don't want it anymore. I'm going to go ahead and click remove. And then I'm going to click remove. Sometimes if it is one of the ones that's controlling your new tab page, it will take you to an extra page that says like, are you sure you want to remove this? And you just say yes and go through all that. So you're just going to go through real quick and make sure that all of the extensions still fit your life for today. Maybe you don't need them anymore and just clean it up.